Top 10 best places to visit in Europe.
From England and France to Italy and Germany, European countries are full of vibrant cities known for their museums, restaurants, nightlife, and art. It should not come as a surprise that selecting the top destinations in Europe can be challenging. Therefore, in order to compile a list of the top travel locations in Europe, US News took into account the highlights of each location as well as user feedback and professional judgment. Vote below to help choose the list for the following year and use this list to help you plan your upcoming vacation. Number 1 in best places to visit in Europe. Paris. Paris is filled with highly regarded museums, monuments, and churches. You could easily spend your entire vacation admiring iconic sites like the Eiffel Tower, wandering through exhibits at the Louvre and strolling through the beautiful green space admiring flowers at the Luxembourg Gardens. Number 2 in best places to visit in Europe. London. Exploring the world-class British Museum, seeing a musical in the West End Theatre District, touring the Tower of London, and gorging on fish and chips, or a Sunday roast at a local pub are all part of the London bucket list experience. Number 3 in best places to visit in Europe. Rome. Rome is a can't-miss spot on your trip to Europe. The aroma of fresh Italian cooking wafts through the alleys, and stately historical sites stand proudly at every turn. No visit to Italy's capital would be complete without checking out the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the awe-inspiring Trevi Fountain.
Number 4 in best places to visit in Europe. Barcelona. Barcelona, Spain's diverse architecture sets the city apart from other European destinations. Antoni Gaudi's Park Güell and Basilica de la Sagrada Familia are beyond impressive, as are Palau de la Musica Catalana and the many medieval buildings in the Gothic Quarter.
Number 5 in best places to visit in Europe. Prague.
A vacation in Prague will leave you feeling as if you stepped into a fairy tale. Take in the Gothic architecture and vibrant atmosphere of Old Town Square. And be sure to tour Prague Castle and go for a stroll across the famously scenic Charles Bridge.
Take in the Gothic architecture and vibrant atmosphere of Old Town Square. And be sure to tour Prague Castle and go for a stroll across the famously scenic Charles Bridge.
Number 6 in best places to visit in Europe. Amsterdam.
There's more to Amsterdam than its notorious coffee shops and red light district. Spend the day biking through the city's stylish streets before exploring noteworthy museums, such as the Van Gogh Museum, the Dutch Resistance Museum, the Rembrandt House Museum, and the Anne Frank House.
Number 7 in best places to visit in Europe. Athens. Athens was made for history buffs and architecture aficionados, thanks to it housing the world-renowned Acropolis and ancient Agora. However, there's more to Athens than its historical sites. The Greek capital's laid-back lifestyle and incredible food attract the masses just as much as its famous attractions do.
Number 8 in best places to visit in Europe. Vienna. This storied Austrian city is best known for its music and monarchs. Explore the Habsburg family's Schönbrunn Palace and its on-site Tiergarten, which is home to the oldest zoo in the world. Art lovers should head to the Museum's Quartier V to peruse the exhibits at the Museum of Modern Art, while music fans will likely enjoy visiting the House of Music and touring or watching a performance at the Vienna State Opera.
Number 9 in best places to visit in Europe. Dublin. Ireland's most populous city has long been a vacation destination of choice for beer drinkers, culture hounds and history buffs. Home to the Guinness Storehouse and the Jameson Distillery Bow St. Dublin, The city also boasts a plethora of pubs, many of which can be found in Dublin's famous Temple Bar district. Don't forget to visit other popular points of interest like Kilmainham Jail, St. Patrick's Cathedral and the National Gallery of Ireland.
Number 10 in best places to visit in Europe. Stockholm. Sweden's often cold capital city is best visited during the summer months when the daytime temperatures typically hover in the 60s and 70s. This sublime weather makes outdoor activities like strolling through the parks at Djurgården and taking a boat tour to admire the cityscape considerably more enjoyable. What's more, Stockholm's charming cobblestone-lined Old Town features a number of top attractions, such as the Royal Palace and the Nobel Prize Museum.
Thank you for watching. Hit like and share and subscribe.